Hi children, welcome to grade 4 English, and today we are going to revise chapter 2 Little Boy for cycle test 1. Yes, are you all ready children? And let's start this session with the prayer. Let us thank God for giving us this wonderful opportunity for learning. Asato ma Satgamaya Tamaso ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityo ma Amritam gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Children, rub your hands together, keep them on your eyes and open your eyes gently and slowly. And before getting into our session, today we are going to do an eye workout. Yes? Yeah, to keep our eyes healthy and refreshing. Yes? Can we do children? Yeah. First, all of you look up and hold for 3 seconds. Then look down and hold for another 3 seconds. Yes? Now can you repeat it 3 times children? Yeah. Look up, hold for 3 seconds and look down, hold for 3 seconds. Yeah. Yes children. Can we move on to next one? Yeah. Look right and hold for 3 seconds. And now look left and hold for another 3 seconds. And repeat this 3 times in total. Yes, all of you look right. Hold 3 seconds there. And now look left and hold another 3 seconds. Yes, very good children. And now the third one. Look to the top left corner of your eye and hold there for 3 seconds. And now look to the top right corner and hold for another 3 seconds. And now we are going to repeat this 3 times. Yes? Can we do it? Yeah. Look to the top left corner of the eye. Hold for 3 seconds there. And look to the top right corner of the eye. And hold for another 3 seconds. Yes. And repeat 3 times. Yeah. And now fourth one. Rotate your eyeballs 3 times to the right. You have to rotate your eyeballs 3 times to the right and 3 times to the left. And while rotating, you have to blink several times to relax. Yes, blink your eyes while you are rotating so that your eyes will relax. Yes, can we do it? Yeah. Now rotate your eyeballs 3 times to the right. Yeah, and now 3 times to the left. Yeah, very good children. And fourth one, close your eyes really tight and hold for 10 seconds. Close your eyes really tight for 10 seconds and hold it. Yes? Okay, relax. And now open your eyes wide and hold for 10 seconds. Yes. Open your eyes very wide and hold for 10 seconds. Blink repeatedly to relax. Yes, while you are holding, blink your eyes repeatedly. Okay, and now we have completed our workout. Yes, are you all feeling relaxed? Very good. And now we are going to revise our chapter 2, The Little Boy. Yes. And let us start from new words children. In concept book page number 24. Yes. Cackling, a loud noise by birds or hens. Lowing, moo sound by cows. Bleating, a weak crying sound made by sheep. Fleecy, soft fabric like a sheep's wool. Yes, are you all clear with these new words, children? And here you can see some sentences with that new words. Cackling. The hen is cackling. Lowing. I heard cows lowing on the fields. Bleating. Sheep was bleating loudly. Fleecy. Sweater is made of fleecy wool. Yes, are you all clear, children? Yeah. And now we are moving on to Did You Know? In concept book page number 25. Yes, the poem is written by Lara Elizabeth Ho Richards. She was an American writer and has written more than 90 books. Her home in Gardner, Maine, the Lara Richards House, is listed on the National Register of Historic Places. Her home is listed on the National Register of Historic Places. Yes, in 1917, she won a Pulitzer Prize for Julia Ward Howe. For the book Julia Ward Howe, it is a biography on her mother. Yeah. And what is the lesson we learned from this poem, children? We should be kind to animals as they give us many useful things. And we should be kind enough to all the living things around us. Clear? And now we are moving on to our poem Little Boy in concept book page number 25. Yes, and in first stanza, the little boy heard the hen cackling and asking his mother what the hen is trying to say. For that, the mother said, she is saying that she laid an egg for little boy today. The little boy got very happy and he asked his mother, what shall we do in return for hen? And for that the mother said, be kind to all that live. Yes. And in second stanza, it's about cow. Here the little boy heard the cow lowing and asking his mother, what is she trying to say? Milk and cream and butter and cheese, I have brought you all these for little boy today, said the mother. The boy got happy and he asked, oh, is it so? I did not know. But in return, what shall we give? And for that the mother said, be kind to all that live. And in third stanza of this poem, we have seen about sheep. Yes. And here the boy heard the sheep bleating and he is asking his mother, what is she trying to say? And for that the mother said, I'll give my fleecy wool to make warm clothes for play and school, said the sheep. And it is for the little boy. And the boy got very happy and asked his mother, what shall we give in return for the sheep? For that the mother said, be kind to all that live. Yes. And this poem is written by Lara Elizabeth Richards. And I hope you all are clear with the poem, children. What is the moral of this poem? Be kind to each and every living thing around us. Be kind to every kind, not just mankind. It is very important to be kind enough to all the living things around us. Yes, not only to mankind but also animals and many things around us. Clear? Yes. And now let's revise the concept connection for chapter 2, that is homophones. Yeah. As we all know, homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings and spellings. Yes? Yeah. And in concept book, all of you take page number 29. Here they have given words that have the same sound but different spellings and meanings are called homophones. And let us have a look at some homophones here. They have given you some example. Birth, birth. And first, birth is a place allocated for us in train. Yeah. And second, birth is the child is born. Like that we will say no, that birth. And second one, board, board. B-O-A-R-D. That is the place where we will be situated in ship or in aeroplane and all, no, that we call it as board. And second one, bored, B-O-R-E-D, that is we will be feeling bored, right, sometimes, yeah, that bored. And third one, cereal, cereal. First cereal is the food we eat, and second cereal is the serial number, yes, the numbering, we call it as serial, right, yeah. And next, in concept book page number 30, ceiling, ceiling. First ceiling is the roof, roof of our home, yes, yeah. And second ceiling is when you are filling with something, yes. Here they have given you example. The mason used cement for sealing the crack in the ceiling, yes. Sight, sight. First sight is we will be seeing, no, that sight. Second sight is the place where some persons they will be working, yes, work area. Here they have given you the example. It was a wonderful sight to see the workers on the construction site working so efficiently, yeah. And next one is doe, doe. First doe, it is a deer, it is a type of deer. Second doe, it is the dough we will make to prepare chapati, puri and all, no, that dough. Clear, children? And I hope you are clear with all the homophones. And one thing you should keep in mind, children, you should be clear about all the spellings and meanings of homophones, yes, because it is very important to spell words correctly, as wrong word usage will give the entirely different meaning in the sentence. Yes, clear? And now we are moving on to our classwork part. In classwork, we have written keywords, synonym, antonym and rhyming words, right? And prepare well, children. Prepare well for your cycle test 1. Read and revise chapter 2 thoroughly. Okay? You have to refer the concept book, workbook, classwork, materials and worksheets I have given in Google Classroom. Yes, clear? This is your home assignment for today's session, children. You have to read and revise chapter 2 thoroughly. You have to practice well by writing in your note. Okay, you have to take pictures and post it in Google Classroom. Okay, while you are revising, you will be practicing it in note, right? That you have to take picture and send me in Google Classroom. And children, eat healthy food, drink plenty of water and reduce your screen time, give adequate rest to your eyes. And in today's session we have done some eye workout, right? And do whenever possible. Clear, children? And stay home and stay safe. Thank you so much, children.